All living things are made up of two fundamental types of cells, eukaryotic and prokaryotic cells. Prokaryotic cells were unknown for the majority of human history due to their small size. But, as early as 1546, the Italian physician Girolamo Fracastoro proposed that disease was brought on by invisible microbes. The history of microbiology is intertwined with the twin strands of technology for perceiving the invisible, microscopy, and the study of infectious disease nature. This history also covers the protracted argument about how exactly living things emerge, whether it be through spontaneous production from non-living materials or from other living things. Little fossils in rock that is 1.5 billion years old provide the first proof of a new type of life. There are internal membranes and what appear to be small, membrane-bounded structures in these fossil cells, which are up to 10 times larger than bacteria. These solitary cells are incredibly complicated and diverse in their forms. One of the most significant changes in the evolution of life, the emergence of a new type of organism called the eukaryote, occurs when cells go from being very simple to becoming quite complex. For this lesson we will determine the similarities and differences between prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells. A cell type without a distinct nucleus and other membrane-bound organelles is called a prokaryote. Prokaryotic cells are found in a wide range of settings, including soil, water, and live beings. They are typically smaller and simpler in structure than eukaryotic cells. Bacteria and archaea are the two primary divisions of prokaryotes. In practically every ecosystem on Earth, bacteria can be found. They are the most diverse and numerous group of prokaryotes. A less well-known class of prokaryotes called archaea is frequently found in harsh conditions including hot springs, deep-sea hydrothermal vents, and salt flats. Prokaryotes are very varied and have a wide range of metabolic abilities while having a straightforward structure. Some prokaryotes may photosynthesize, whereas others are chemotrophs, which draw their energy from chemical processes. Many prokaryotes are essential for the health of living organisms because they perform critical roles in nutrient cycling, food generation, and disease prevention. Prokaryotes are being studied extensively by scientists in various domains, including microbiology, ecology, and biotechnology, due to their importance to human health and the environment. Eukaryotes are a class of cell that have membrane-bound organelles in addition to a distinct nucleus. All multicellular species as well as many unicellular organisms like protists contain these cells, which are more complicated in structure and function than prokaryotic cells. Membrane-bound organelles found in eukaryotic cells include mitochondria, chloroplasts, in photosynthetic organisms, the endoplasmic reticulum, the Golgi apparatus, lysosomes, and the cytoskeleton. These organelles perform a wide range of tasks, such as waste disposal, protein synthesis, and energy production. The karyotic cell's nucleus is where the DNA, which is arranged into several linear chromosomes, is found. Eukaryotic cells can also split through a process called meiosis or mitosis to create sex cells with different genetic makeup. Eukaryotes are very diverse and exist in practically all of the planet's environments. They comprise a variety of species, such as mammals, plants, fungi, and protists. Many ecological processes, such as the cycling of nutrients, primary production, and symbiotic connections with other organisms, depend heavily on eukaryotes. Eukaryotes are the focus of intense research in a variety of domains, including cell biology, genetics, and ecology, due to their importance to human health and the environment. The following are some of the main parallels and discrepancies between the two. First, let's go to the similarities for both. A plasma membrane surrounds both prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells, regulating the passage of materials in and out of the cell. DNA is found in both types of cells and contains the genetic information required for the cell to function and multiply. Ribosomes are essential for protein synthesis in both types of cells. How about their differences? Prokaryotic cells are much smaller and have a simpler structure than eukaryotic cells. Eukaryotic cells have both a distinct nucleus and additional membrane-bound organelles, whereas prokaryotic cells have not. Eukaryotic cells have numerous linear chromosomes, but prokaryotic cells only have one circular chromosome. Compared to prokaryotic cells, eukaryotic cells are typically larger and structurally more sophisticated. Membrane-bound organelles found in eukaryotic cells include mitochondria, lysosomes, and the endoplasmic reticulum, among others. Many processes, including protein synthesis, waste elimination, and energy production, are carried out by these organelles. Prokaryotic cells reproduce asexually through binary fission, whereas eukaryotic cells create genetically different children through mitosis or meiosis. Prokaryotic cells are found in unicellular species, as well as in bacterial or archaeal communities, whereas eukaryotic cells are found in multicellular organisms. While prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells share some basic structural and functional similarities, they also have numerous significant distinctions that reflect their separate evolutionary histories and adaptations to different environments.